Are you wondering how you can conduct market research for your school business but are daunted by the whole procedures? If so, then I want you to stay tuned because I have a step-by-step guide on how you can conduct market research for your school business even better than your competitors and stay afloat in the school business industry. So stay tuned. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can conduct market research better than your competitors and stay afloat in the school business industry. But before I proceed, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers out there. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for being part of this wonderful family. If you are new here, to be here, my name is Aslahijo. I'm a school business owner. I've been in school business for 10 years and it has been a fulfilling vocation for me. So if you are looking for an inspiration on how you can start and manage your school effectively, you are at the right place. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications as well so you don't miss any of my regular updates. Once again, thank you for being part of this wonderful family. God bless you all. Market research is essential for starting and running a successful school. It involves gathering information about your industry, your prospective parents, and your competitors so you can make informed decisions. Conducting market research gives your school business direction and helps you stay on top of what your prospective parents want and how much they are willing to pay for it. It also helps you keep track of your competitors' performance, spot business opportunities, and avoid costly mistakes. The first step to the market research process is to define your objectives. What is the key information you would like your research to uncover? What do you want to know about your industry, your prospective parents, and your competitors? By defining your research objectives, you will be able to keep your research focused and effective. The second step is to prepare your research questions. Yes, the best way to make sure that you get the most out of your conversations is to be prepared. So to make sure that you cover all the top of mind questions and use your time wisely, create a discussion guide. Write a list of research questions for your industry, your prospective parents, and your competitors. The third step is to understand your industry. Once you have defined your research objectives and prepared your research questions, the next step is to understand how the school business industry works and the degree of competition within the school business industry. Outline the current state of the school business industry. Include where the school business industry is heading using metrics such as size, trends, projected growth. This step may sound like a lot of work, but the future of your school business and the intelligence of your strategies and tactics depend on knowing your industry. Knowing your industry will help you position your school business for success. The fourth step is to know your target market. Yes, get ready to talk to the real people. The truth is, not every person in your street or city will attend your school, but that's okay. You will actually be more effective if you target the few people that are interested in your school. So you need to know your target market by figuring out who they are, how they behave, where they come from, and what they want in a school, so you can work out ways to meet their needs. The fifth step is to talk to your customers. Yes, you need to talk to your prospective parents. Once you have identified your target market, or at least made a good guess who your target market is, you need to take the most important step in this entire market research. You need to get off from your desk, go out and actually talk to people in your potential target markets. Yes, you can do online surveys or other research, but that is no substitute for actually talking to people in your potential target markets, because you will get more insights into your prospective parents just by seeing their work and home environment. The sixth step is to compare your competition. Yes, you need to know your competitors. You don't actually need to infiltrate their school to get to know them outside out, but it sure helps to take a look at your competitors' offerings, location, and most importantly, what your target audience thinks about them. Your target market knows your competitors more than anyone else. So what are you waiting for? Talk to your prospective parents. Find out what service or products they consider as alternative to yours. People choose your competitor's school over yours. That's great. But you need to know the reason why they do that. What does their school have that you don't have? Do they pose any threat to your school? Knowing your competition gives you an idea on what to anticipate and helps you create a business strategy for yourself. Seventh step is to gather additional data. Information is your greatest ally when it comes to conducting a market research. The more information you gather and have, the better off your school will be. The data you have should be relevant and factual. Make your decisions based on accurate information. The 8th step is to analyze your findings. Look at your findings. Lay out all of your research and organize it using different sessions. Include sessions for your purpose, target market, competition, an overview of your industry size and growth rate, prices for your offerings, how much your prospective parents are willing to pay. Based on your research, you will be able to forecast other things for your school. And the last step, which is number 9, is to put your findings into action. Insights are one thing, but they are worth very little unless they inform immediately positive action. It's not about creating report. It should influence your action. If you conducted a research for internal purposes, see how you can use it and improve your school. If you conducted a research for external purposes, be prepared to speak with learners about your research and conclusions. Conducting a market research is a tedious job, but following this simple guide will set you up for success. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification each time I post. See you in my next video.